Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unboxing the one of my new collection of Mini GT, the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. So let's go. So here we got the Mini GT Porsche 911 Carrera 4S Racing Yellow. So this is a packaging. The number is 252. Okay, so let's open it. So this is 99111 Carrera 4S, or we also can call it a 992. Okay. So today we are going to show you the detail about of this Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. So as you guys can see that they also got here the Porsche logo at center wheels, same to the front there. And here we got the side mirror. I'm not sure if it is a rubber side mirror or the like metal side mirror, I'm not sure. And let's go to the front. Okay, to the front here you guys can see that they also got the logo here, the Porsche logo. And you also guys can see that the lamp and the LED down here. And yes, it is right hand drive RHD version from Mini GT. And here the side of this Porsche looks so nice. So we go to the behind. As you guys can see, not sure if you guys can see or not. Okay, here we got the 4 exhaust tips. As we know that before this Porsche Mini GT from Porsche also got this 911, but they got only 2 exhaust tips, but this one is got 4 tips. And here you guys can see Porsche logo and 911 Carrera 4S logo, and also you guys can see the tail light of the behind here. So beautiful. And that's all for today. So we are going to show you the 360 view of this Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain